So part 2 then says to use logarithms to find this first number where the sum of the terms is greater than 99.3. So we've got this sequence that goes 20, 16, 12.8. The next term would be 12.8 times 0.8. So we've got a first term of 20, a common ratio of 0.8. And it wants us to use the formula for the sum of the number of terms, which is a bracket 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r, to find a value of this that gets us bigger than 99.3. So I'm going to substitute in the n value. So we want some value of n. They've used a capital N, so I will. A is 20. 1 minus 0.8 to the power of n over 1 minus 0.8, so over 0.2. We need that to be bigger than 99.3. So we've got to solve this inequality here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel down the 20 divided by 0.2. Which is 100. So we've got 100 times by 1 minus 0.8 to the power of n needs to be bigger than 99.3. That's a 3. I'm going to divide by 100 to get rid of the brackets. So that's going to be 0.993. I'm going to take away the 1. Going to be minus 0.007. I'm going to divide by minus 1 or times by minus 1. But when we do that, remember, because we're timesing or dividing by a negative number, the sign is going to flip round. Now we're ready to take logs. It told us to take logs. We're going to do it now. I'm going to use log to the base 10, just the default log on your calculator. You could have used log of 0.8. You can use any log you want, but I'm going to use 10. Log to the base 10. And if you don't write the 10s in, they'll assume that you've used log to the base 10, so don't worry about that. We can move the n to the front now using our log rules. And then we're going to divide by the log to the base 10 of 0.8. Now we're logging a number less than 1, so this is negative. We're dividing by a negative number. So the sign is going to flip round again. And this we can type into our calculators. So n is going to be the first whole number bigger than the number we're about to find. So log to the base 10 of 0.007 divided by log to the base 10 of 0.8 is 22.23 or 24. So the first whole number bigger than that number tells us that n needs to be 23. 22 would have given us a sum a bit less than 99.3. 23 is going to give us the first one where the sum is